Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Taxi backends admin panels inside. Today we need to create here the car list API. Need to calls here and also need to approve and deletes methods we need to API calls. Let's start how to write down here. First of all, we need to add here the API callings, the files inside the API list. We need to list down inside the common TS files. First of all, we need to copy here these car models and to paste this here. Now need to write down here car series. Series. Like the set here and this value are the settings here. And also need to open here the node.js and need to write down here series deletes. Need to one by ones replace this here API. Then after series approve, copy here and we need to paste this here. Then after series list, need to paste this here API. Like this we need to set here, and now we need to create here the components we need to develop here. First of all, we need to open here terminals and to write down here ngc. For commands we need to give this here car management and slash we need to give this here series list to call here like this on series. Now like this creating here series modules are the creatings and need to call this here. Now we need to copy here the models HTML, so we need to copy here and we need to paste this here. Also need to copy here the TS files inside. All things are the copy and we need to paste here. Now need to import here the controllers are the import here. Met designators, met sorts. Also need to write down here. It's here. Columns add here appends. Also need to create here is also need to import here met tables data source and here series. Also need to import here series. What's here common structures. This is series ID. Copy here that here status are not added. So data sets series models status not sets. This way are series here here. Yes, with this all things are the settings. Now need to fix first of all the models. We need to import here some value. Need to open here models. We need to solve things. Copy and we need to set this here. Paste this here like this value. Model ID and model name. Like this, you need to also here for this the list or the set here, and also need to set known is this here. Save this here these files. Also need to add here the routings. We need to copy here these files. Paste this here. Need to write down here car series. Models. Save this here these lines and to copy here. And now need to go inside the HTMLs designs. Space here. Here. But here series. Give this here this value, and also need to modify here. So one columns need to add here. Here. Now need to set here is. Now need to names is name. Like this sets here. Also need to save this here. The files are the saving. Need to paste this here. And one more thing, so need to give this here. Save this here. Now to HTML here. So here also need and this here. Save this here. Now need to this here this project. Now building these projects are the panels are the combining here. Sets here and go inside car management series, select series. No brands added, so need add here data. Suppose adds here the models. Now need to update inside the database inside the directly. Need to see the entry. Need to test against the list, and now to get here approve unapprove. Like this working goods, no any issue. Always do not displaying here models here. The response to forget inside the node.js inside the models. Copy this years. Save this years. And need to reload this here page. And also need to get here the errors of affected row. Not gets any results. That's why need to check this here errors. Need to get here the where conditions are nearby the errors. And need to find out here the line numbers 510 510 and where conditions need to fix these errors. And now need to again so need to start this here. And now here the workings now good, no any issue. Also call it here using parameters models id. We need to check this API inside the node.js. Need to find out here the deletes. That issue. So we delete series. Save this here and need to check against API callings are the check. Now need to call here the splits method, and now this is the branch, and issue with this here titles need to here HTML, change this here series, and also need to return here success message. Save this here. Now like this, we need to set this here car manager. Also need this here smaller here. Here this here error logs. Let's here need to check this here. Now need to check out the delete methods. To get here the else response. I got this issue to issue with this here. App joins me to once here working. Also need to check here that now need to restart this service and to fix this here issue and to test against work or not. Check this here, restart this page. Now need to click delete, and now this is the working. Same as need to check inside the branch. It's here now here working. No any list out here. Now need to restart directly. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.